Now a live look at our next weather radar. Yeah, we're not done with the rain just yet. KCAL's Danny Roberti has our next weather forecast. Danny?
Hey, Pat. Yeah, and these storms, they are ripping through right now. This is the last piece. It's not the atmospheric river. This is a separate storm, but boy, this is packing a punch right now. We've been following a severe thunderstorm warning and concerns of a tornado, a possible tornado. Take a look at some of these photos that we've received from 5 cities fire authority. This is showing areas in Grover Beach. No injuries that they know of. This is what they tell us, but you can see a giant tree toppled over that looks to be an apartment building. We had strong gusty winds in these areas, and we do know from them that there are no injuries that they know of. Now, this is just a possible tornado. National Weather Service is going to have to go out there to actually confirm whether this was a tornado. Right now, it's just reports of a tornado. So National Weather Service will be going out there tomorrow to check out the damage and to bring that confirmation. But this is a concern because this is making its way towards us. This is one of the storms that'll head towards Ventura County. And on top of that, we're also dealing with the marine statement. So let's take a look at this storm and where it's moving to. This is a line of storms moving through, bringing strong gusty winds of about 60 miles per hour. So I know this is far out, but in the next hour and a half, Oxnard, this rain is going to be knocking on your door. Marine warning in place. And this is in place for areas where we are seeing storms that could potentially produce water spouts. And this is where that line of heavy rain is moving to, right off the coast of Oxnard and the coast of Ventura County. And this is going to be in effect until 7:30. So these are areas where we could very likely see water spouts developing if there's enough rotation with some of these storms. And you can see that rain, it is starting in our neck of the woods right now. Light in some areas through Thousand Oaks over to Malibu. We are starting to get some pockets of heavier rain. I mean, this is the last batch of what we're seeing this week. Fillmore, you're getting in on this action right now. That's the case through Moore Park, and actually starting to see some cells developing in areas like Athens and Compton, right along the 110 towards Seneca into the metro area. So tonight is going to be a wet one, but this storm, it's a fast mover. It's going to be out of here quickly. So going into tonight, here's that line of rain. It starts to make its way into LA County by about 7 to 8 o'clock this evening. It kind of zips through, but it is going to bring bursts of heavy rain with it, making its way kind of just jetting down into Orange County by about 9 o'clock. Snow levels are dropping down to 3,000 feet. This is a colder storm. We've got that rain through Orange County. Look at those cells moving through 10 o'clock this evening. That's through Orange County, the Inland Empire, and then it's out of here mainly after midnight, and we could see some lingering showers. Next 7 days, LA, Orange County, we get through tonight, and there's light at the end of the tunnel. Sunshine is here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we've been waiting for this. And on top of that, temperature still below normal, but a nice climb. We're back to the mid-60s by Sunday, Pat. So we just got to get through tonight, and then we've got the sunshine.
Always looking for that silver lining. All right, thank you, Danny.